As one quarantine ends for the first wave of Canadians out of China's coronavirus hit region, another begins, this time for the 129 evacuees from the Diamond Princess cruise ship off Japan. They touched down at CFB Trenton early Friday morning, and according to Global Affairs Canada, none of the passengers exhibited symptoms of the new coronavirus or COVID-19 upon arrival. The group was then taken to the NAV Centre in Cornwall, Ontario to begin a 14-day quarantine. As for the dozens of Canadians who tested positive for the virus on the ship, along with those who chose not to evacuate, Foreign Affairs Minister François-Philippe Champagne says we will continue to provide full support to those Canadians who remain in Japan. The Diamond Princess was quarantined south of Tokyo early this month with more than 3,700 people on board over a coronavirus outbreak that grew to more than 600 cases, making it the biggest cluster outside China. In Canada, British Columbia has reported the province's sixth case of COVID-19, a woman in her 30s now in isolation at home. BC health officials say she resides in the Fraser Health region and recently returned from Iran. Iran's health ministry confirms the virus has spread to several cities there, the deadly outbreak coming as Iranians vote in nationwide parliamentary elections. Lebanon confirmed its first coronavirus case Friday, a woman who recently arrived from Iran. The World Health Organization calling the cases worrisome.
Iran in the past 2 days has reported 18 cases and 4 deaths. This is very concerning. But not only that, there is a case which is linked to Iran now in Lebanon. These dots are actually very concerning. Take them as dots or trends.
And South Korea now reporting a surge in cases as part of what officials called a super spreading event at a church, all linked to a woman. And in China, where the outbreak started, there was an uptick in reported cases and word of over 200 people infected in 2 prisons. As for Canada's tally of coronavirus cases, the latest report out of BC bringing the total to 9. And that includes 3 in Ontario, just the 2 provinces reporting cases. As for the risk to Canadians, it hasn't changed. The Public Health Agency of Canada has assessed the public health risk associated with COVID-19 as low for Canada. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.